Hi guys, this is Toyota Camry 1999. Uh, I had a problem with the key ignition, which is this. Key was it's stuck there, and then after that I had a hard time to take it out and take it out. So I solved the problem. I saw the problem. This is the old one. I'm holding the camera. It's a hard time. I have a hard time that show you guys. Okay, let's see. This is the key ignition, old one. It was right here. It's right here. See, right here, exactly. So I took that way. I had a hard time to take it out. There is a pin underneath, right underneath. Just you pushing that pin, and you're pulling the cylinder. Yeah, that's so simple. But sometimes, it doesn't come out. You have to work on it a little bit. So I bought this new cylinder, as you see, with the key and everything. Right there, the pin is new, right here. This is the pin. Overall, I fixed my car key ignition. Just you're gonna put the same way. You're gonna put it in this hole. Then you have to bring this key, the A. What is that? ACC. There's a place that ACC. You have to bring it there and then put it inside, and that's it. It's so simple. And good luck to you guys. If you have a problem, this kind of problem, that your ignition is not working, and just push the pin and take it out to cylinder. Okay guys, bye.